So UMC is primarily a machine shop that's been in business for over 50 years, family owned and operated, specializes in the industries of the aerospace, defense, and medical device, really primarily for higher complexity components.
The type of parts we make, they're reasonably complex, high precision with high tolerance that we take pride in that a lot of other people in this industry cannot make.
We were in a situation where we had a variety of homegrown and other purchased quality softwares, and we wanted to condense that into one platform for consistency, for integration into our ERP, and for overall to achieve basically higher controls around our quality process and procedures.
With some of our tools, we ran into performance challenges. Sometimes they would be able to do things manually faster than the system could handle. They couldn't even handle the number of data points we were trying to collect. So there was quite a few limitations. And having all these different tools that were disjointed was also a challenge. So we're looking for a solution where we can bring in and gradually replace all of those.
We had put together a requirement list that was about 145 requirements that we were looking for in the quality software.
Is this tool going to be able to help us long term? Will this scale? Will it handle all the different complexities? Are we able to get to the solution quickly, meaning integrate with our solutions, moving our data into it, getting all the data from all of our CMM and VCMM machines into that? So there was a lot of different things, so it was a team effort to pick 1factory.
When you look at the complexity, we have 20 CMMs and 8 vision systems that are all auto-feeding with production going into 1factory. Usually anywhere from like 100 to like 800 dimensions that we could be checking throughout our process from start to finish. We have over 1 million data points going into 1factory per month. So it's a very large scale of data being collected every day that's going into our quality software.
One of the things that UMC has done is to automate a CMM cell. You take the pallet that could be used in the machine, put that into the CMM inspection, and then use 1factory to seamlessly integrate those inspection points to provide kind of SPC controls back to the machinist so that they can get a real-time live feedback to quickly correct that, stop, pause, make whatever adjustments, and then pursue making a quality component.
As you can imagine, trying to get a new employee to learn 5 quality softwares is not an easy task. And to go from that into one quality software that is just really easy to use and meets all of our regulatory requirements. So you don't have to be an expert. You can just very quickly be trained and know how to use the data and what data you have to collect and where it needs to go. It's a very simple software to use, but very efficient at what we need to gather.
It took me like 15 minutes of an overview of the program, and I understood it. It was easy to use. This is lightning quick, and that's very important for me. That's what I'm looking for.
1factory is I would say is a one-stop shop for all inspection needs on the floor, bubbling prints, building plans, working on building PPAPs. It's a great software. It's making leaps and bounds since we've been using it.
The nice thing is 1factory is all digital, so you can 86 the paper. You can go ahead and just enter everything in and everybody can see it rather than just having to go out and ask how it's going. It's very nice.
So I think overall the team is very, very happy to be on one platform. Just that consistency, that commonality, that process control. It's made the jobs easier, more streamlined. This is our quality solution for UMC.
Our quality software is something that really just keeps the business going, and that collaboration with 1factory has just been amazing. They're there no matter what. We can call them at night and they'll be there, to help us. Their end goal is to make us successful too, which has been really helpful.